your most comfortable position. Just a few reminders before we get started with our program. We would like to ask for your cooperation in completing this event. So today po, we are gathered here to celebrate the gift of life, most especially the gift of life that He has given to our dear Micah Athalie D. Cortez, who is celebrating her 7th birthday today. And I am your host, I am Joshua C. Nicasio. Professionally, handa na po ba kayong makita ang ating birthday celebrant? Without further ado, let us all rise and give a warm round of applause to welcome our celebrant, Micah Athalie D. Cortez. Ayan, napakaganda naman talaga ng ating pinsan, ng ating Micah Athalie D. Cortez. Okay, Cortez family po. Punta na po sa ating celebrants, Cortez family. Next po, ang Delgado family.
Video, kaway sa video.
Why you always in the mood? I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? So I'm acting brand new. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Yeah.
还好我终于见到你，跑过了时间，终于再次见到你。可以什么都不做，就只是抱着你，牵着我的手吧，一起飞到月亮去。你一直都是人群中闪耀的女孩，是我有限时间见过最漂亮的女孩。一直在艰辛等待着你会来，在下个转角和你撞了满怀。天使，你是我的 queen， 你是我的月亮，你是我的谜，像是被烈酒让我起了反应，只想要发疯，别让我冷静。Let's go。
Trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it. Why you always in the mood? I'm acting brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? So I'm acting brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Yeah.
还好我终于见到你，跨过了时间，终于再次见到你。可以什么都不做，就只是抱着你，牵着我的手吧，一起飞到月亮去。你一直都是人群中闪耀的女孩，是我有限时间见过最漂亮的女孩。一直在艰辛等待着你会来，在下个转角和你撞了满怀。天使，你是我的 queen， 你是我的月亮。
Very good. Ang ganda-ganda naman ang baby namin. Hoy! Tanggal. Ang ganda naman ni Amida yan. Ang ganda ng dress mo ah. Ay.
Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? So I'm acting brand new. I ain't trying to tell you what to do, but try to play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mood? Yeah.
还好我终于见到你，跨过了时间，终于再次见到你。可以什么都不做，就只是抱着你，牵着我的手吧，一起飞到月亮去。你一直都是人群中闪耀的女孩，是我有限时间见过最漂亮的女孩。一直在艰辛等待着你会来，在下个转角和你撞了满怀。天使，你是我的 queen， 你是我的月亮，你是我的谜，像是被烈酒让我起了反应，只想要发疯，别让我冷静。Let's go。
Trying
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wish muna ha.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin ang ating birthday celebrant.
Okay, post.
Okay. At this juncture,
Let's go!
Happy birthday, Ayo. Mag-aaral ka na mabuti.
palakpakan naman po natin si Ron.
Happy birthday, Ai. Mag-aral ka palagi ng mabuti at sana mabawasan yung kakulitan mo. Mag-aral ka palagi ng mabuti at sana lumaki kang mabuting bata. Happy birthday ulit.
Picture kayo.
Picture. Okay, thank you so much. Next.
One. Okay.
Now,
Aliyah.
Birthday, Emily. Wish you happy Aliyah na good health.
okay, thank you so much, Ate and Leah. Next, we have Athena Salazar.
Picture na lang daw.
Tingin sa camera. 3, 2, 1. Next, and not last but not the least, we have her mother, Tita Michelle Cortez.
Ayan. So, message ko kay Ate Lee, so, sana maging bait kang bata, tsaka huwag sakitin, and then lagi makinig sa mama at papa. Wish you, I love you, baby.
Mamapit ka sa ano. Yan. Closer, closer. One.
Tawagin po ulit lahat ng 7 chocolates and then magtipid-tipid po tayo dahil sa harap ni Anthony po para sa pinakala. Okay, thank you so much to our 7 chocolates. Now, at this moment, we will now proceed with our 7 dance/runner. Now, may I call on our 7 dances starting with Carl Adrian Cortez. I call on Carl Cedric Cortez.
Sayaw.
Sayaw, sayaw! 1, 2, 3, and Cedric, 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 Cedric.
Picture na lang.
Picture mo. Ay, sumayaw. Okay, thank you so much. Next, we have John Kenneth Delgado.
TikTok ka na dyan.
Okay, ready. One, two, three, go! Dapat sumayaw ka rin eh.
Okay, now, may I call on Ethan Zanderveen Radios.
Ay, dito mo ko. Dali na, dance na.
May I call on Ian Dale Delgado.
Hindi ako nakapatalo.
Abot mo lang sa kanya, kuya. Kuya, picture tayo. Picture tayo. Tingin dito sa camera. Tingin ba? Tingin.
Ian Dale Delgado. Now, let's move on to Zeki Ezra Batia. Palakpakan!
That's what I'm on. Come give me something.
Zeki. Now, last but definitely not the least, her father. May I call on Mr. Alan Cortez. Palakpakan naman!
Sabi mo, lapit ka. Yan, okay. Okay lang. Yan, okay.
Again, let's give them a warm welcome round of applause. Kita nyo ba, napaka-ningning nung damit ni Ate Lee? Siyempre, magniningning pa yan. Kung maibigyan or nalalagyan ng money, kahit anong pero papel ba yan, mas magniningning agad ni Ate Lee. Lawakit na lang po sa ating celebrant. At idikit, wow, may cake.
Sayo lang, sayo lang. Sige po, hindi mo
So much for our 7 dance again. Tinatawagan ko po lahat ng participant para sa 7 dance of Frozen.
Picture dito kaya. Adi.
The reason behind this is because one of her favorite character is Kuromi. Now to surprise our birthday celebrant, may I call on our mascot for today, Kuromi. Let's give him a hand of applause.
Ala, si Karami, Kim!
Ayan. Parang tangkad ni Kuromi.
Seki.
Iba naman po. Sige kids, upo na. Iba naman. Huwag dito. Relax na lang.
Oh, kalma, kalma. Just Shawty, why you so funny? Got it from your mama, ass. Saan ka ba ba, ha? Alam mo na, magpapang ka talaga, ha? Hindi ko tigilan yan, kapag talaga buong nasi.
Something I can
Hindi pa naman kayo nagkasabay-sabay.
Next.
so much for visiting. Here's a birthday ng ating birthday celebrant in Christine. Again, palakpakan natin and goodbye, Salami. Thank you so much. The program. Kids. Actually.
Bye!
Picture na po ito ng mga child.
Senti kasi po yan. Senti siya sa likod.
Ayaw mo.
Hey, comfort mo siya, Bi. Love mo siya, dali. Love mo siya. Ang gusto. Bye-bye! Bye!
Game sa lahat ng mga kids. O, may tanong muna ako sa inyong lahat. Gusto niyo ba maglaro? Yun na yung 3. So, bitaw-bitaw lang kayo ng kamay, okay? So, ready? 1, 2, and wala pa end pa lang, wala pang 3. Pag narinig nyo na yung 3, tsaka kayo magbibitaw-bitaw. So, ready? Set into 2, find your partner. Dalawa. Only 2. Oh. Tatlo. Yung mananalo? Dalawa lang yung mananalo sa kahit na anong paraan. Alright, itaas yung dalawang kamay. And then dapat magwe-wave. Alon! Jump! Ikot! Okay, so ready makinig na sa akin na po singing group yourself into 3. Tatlo. Ayan, dito kayo. Quiet. Akap kayo tatlo. Ayan. Sino ang nakinig sa akin? Taas kamay. Okay, so ilan yung mananalo? Dalawa. Ilan kayo? Ilan sila? Ang dalawa? Pangatlo. Ano ang sabihin niyo sa kanila? Bakit? Pinabihan pa tuloy. Oh, sorry. Okay, lapit kayo kay Kuya kasi meron daw kayong matatanggap na consolation prize. Ayan. So, it's alright. Pag-stop ng music, gusto ko pagdikitin ninyo yung dalawang batok. Nasaan yung batok? Ready? 5. Nasaan ang batok? Nawawala yung batok. Ayan. Nawawala yung batok, ah. Batok, hindi bunbunan. Bunbunan. Oh, hirap. Wala kasi batok eh. Kain kasi ng kain eh. Ayan. Leeg. Go leeg. 5. 4. 3. Hirap na hirap. Wala kasi leeg eh. Dali, 5. Dikit, dali. Ay, hindi kaya. Sorry, out na. Okay? Dikit, ang layo. Walang mananalo. Ang layo. Wala na. Ayan. Okay, so out na rin kayo. O, patingin paano yung ginawa nyo. 5, 4, 3. Sarap. Galing. Okay. So, dahil dyan, panalo na kayo. Meron kayong prize. Ay, ng pinakamaganda at mabait na lola. Go! Dalawa lang. Bye! I love you. Yeah. Kailangan may yeah. One by one po yan. Tama, kayo muna po mag-start.
Happy birthday, Atale! Yay!
Happy birthday, Natalie!
I love you.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Atale! I love you. Yay!
Alright, okay. So may mga praise po yung mga kids. So, siyempre kayo din. palakpakan. Nagustuhan nyo ba yung magic? Gusto nyo ba ng lang? May bayad naman. Hindi, joke lang. Okay, so sa mga kids, syempre bago ako magpaalam sa inyo, gusto ko magkaroon tayo ng picture together. Kasama si Atali Dusara. Come on, Atali. Daddy. And of course, sa lahat ng mga kids, okay na muna natin yung ating swimming pool para ma-enjoy na lang lahat ng mga kids. Alam ko, excited na kayong lahat. So, kids, let's go! Okay na ang ating swimming pool.
Ay, siya lang.